Hey everyone, Greg from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. In today's video, I'm here to talk about wheels, but unlike most of my videos that focus on custom wheels, in this video, I want to showcase a company that specializes in manufacturing high-quality OEM replacement wheels. This time it comes from the team over at Replikaz, and these are just a handful of their replica OEM wheels. Now, as much as we'd love to customize cars and trucks here at CarID, we understand that when it comes to wheels, not everyone has the ways and means to do that. And let's be honest, a large majority of late model cars and trucks have some pretty attractive wheels bolted on them right from the factory, so why change them? Not to mention, if you damage or bend a wheel beyond repair, it's always going to be cheaper to buy just one wheel rather than an entire set. Well, if this is your situation, you need to check out Replikaz. This team is dedicated to supplying the automotive aftermarket with the highest quality OE replica wheels available. They pride themselves on only using the best materials to ensure every wheel that they manufacture will either meet or even exceed the quality standards of your original OE wheels. So not only are these wheels manufactured to a high standard, but their catalog is stockpiled with wheels for almost any domestic, European, and even Asian vehicle. So no matter what you drive, there is a very good chance that the team at Replikaz has the identical wheel that you need. Their selection includes both alloy and steel wheels in factory sizes ranging from 14 inches all the way up to 22 inches in diameter, so the coverage is incredibly large. Now, quality and extensive inventory aside, I personally think that the best feature about these wheels is the price. Now, if you've ever damaged a wheel beyond repair in the past and you went down to your local dealer for a replacement, then you already know that buying an OE wheel directly from the source is incredibly expensive. Depending on the wheel and of course the make and model of the car that you drive, these prices can sometimes skyrocket to an insane $1,500 or more. Replikaz, however, sells their wheel at a fraction of the dealer costs, and again, they are still manufactured to an equal or higher standard than your factory wheels. So as far as I'm concerned, buying your wheels from Replikaz is really a no-brainer. Well everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of Replikaz OE replacement wheels. So, if your factory wheels are all scratched or curbed up, or maybe you damaged one beyond repair, don't bother with the dealer. Head over to CarID.com right now, enter in your year, make, and model, and see if Replikaz has the perfect replacement wheel for you. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time.